So this is our tool number 10, and that is VEED.io. So this is how the VEED.io website actually looks like. If you will come down over here, you can see create pro level videos in the blend of AI. So let's come down and see what features this tool have. So everything you need all in one place. So you can do video editing with this tool. You then create AI avatars of yourself and even explore more of their own avatars. You then record videos of yourself teaching something or doing something or recording a video. You can even come down and see the stored library, select 2 million videos and audios, more of that stuff. You then collaborate with people easily with this tool, and you then publish it with the help of VEED, host your video with VEED, powerful and more. So if you will come down over here, this is AI powered editing. You will get magic cut, AI translate, AI background remover, filter, filler word remover. You will get auto subtitles, text to speech, AI voice cloning, AI avatar, clone yourself, eye contact and corrections. And if you come down even more, this is real human and this is an AI avatar. Can you see the difference? Can you even figure out which one is AI and which one is real? This is looks so real. This looks so real. You can even add subtitles. If you will come down over here, you will see all the different subtitles and things that happening. So let's come to the plans and pricing first, and then we will log into this VEED account. So when it comes to the pricing, it starts with the light pricing, then pro and then enterprise. So in the light, you will get no watermark on video. You will get 144 hour a year of caption and subtitles, full HD 180p export. You will get full stock audio and video library. You will even get limited brand threads, 5 videos stay in Gen.ai Studio, and credits to generate videos and more. You then just start for free for now if you want, and if you want to take this furthermore, you can go with the paid plan. So I will just start with this tool using a free account, and let me sign in with my Google account, and I will show you how this tool works like magic when it comes to video editing and content creation. So now I have signed in with my account, and this is how the final page looks like. You then create your video, you then edit your video, and even you then record your video. So when you will click on that create video, you then create a new project. You then start with Gen AI Studio, AI image generator, AI script generator, AI dubbing, AI playground, AI clips, and AI avatars. And you will even see down over here, you can add auto subtitles, eye correction, magic cut, video compressor, video converter, YouTube description generator. So when it comes to AI playground, you can create videos with cutting edge of AI models. So let's come down and go to AI edits, templates, so AI apps. So these are all the AI apps. These are all my projects that I did earlier, but now I don't do a lot of stuff in this tool, but this is one of the most amazing tools that when it comes to content creation and recording and editing your video. So let's go to AI Playground, which is new right now. I think so. This is OpenAI Sora 2. So describe your video, what video you want to create. So this is text to video, this is text to image, this is image to video, and this is video to video. So now let's create a video with the help of Sora 2. They are using Sora 2. So please fill the field. So now let's go to I need an image. Oh, sorry, not image of I need a video of a cute little sad Winton Sophie and relaxing. It's the most simple prompt. So load in subscription, that means I have no credits to use this tool. I think so this tool needs a lot of credit, but as of the user I don't have much. But I will show you the subtitles if I could. So let's go to edit and see if I could use the subtitles and show you how the different subtitles work. So I need to upload a video first and then I can create subtitles, or I can add more subtitles, audio and more of that stuff. So first I will download one video from Canva so that I could show you how this tool actually works. So let's come down and see if I have something. This already have one subtitle. This video already has subtitle, but still I will go with this one only because all my videos have subtitle. But let's go with this one so that just for an example that how this tool actually works, I can show you how there is different kind of subtitles and those subtitles work like magic. Let's wait for a moment that Canva should download my thing. So I should go further with my editing part. So it's taking a right moment to download. Now it's almost done. I will head on to my VEED and I would upload my video first and I would then generate a subtitle. So now I am going to upload a video. So now it's getting started. It's just uploaded my video. You then adjust this thing, the video part from here, the scenes. You then split the video based on the timeline if you want. Now when it comes to subtitles, I click on the subtitles. I just click on auto subtitles in English. You can generate subtitles in any language that you want. You can even clean the audio. If there's a lot of noise at the background, you can do that from the ear only. So now my subtitles is done. It's been added. So here you then see there are different options when it comes to subtitles. So this is the new subtitles that VEED has recently, I think so, launched. It was not there earlier. So let's click on the social because this is for the social media. This I'm going to upload on Instagram or stuff. So this is something that's new. So let's choose any subtitles from here and let's see the magic of how this thing works. So I will go with this one. And let's the 24-year-old boy seeing out. So here you then will shout these subtitles. You can coming right over here. While they just added within a few 4-year-olds. Within a few seconds, the subtitles is generated. So if you are someone a content creator, you can create your subtitles using this tool. Just just upload your video as it choose different subtitles from here, running with as per your choice, it's your taste, what you love or what you don't love. After you come over here and it choose any subtitles. If you are someone related to business, designs today, choose subtitles what they based on that. You want any network-based subtitles you want, reality, you can choose it from here. And in the all option, you will find more of these subtitles. So a 24-year-old boy. When it comes to a subtitle, it's done. You can even add elements to this. So click on the elements. You can add emojis. You can add animated stickers. When it comes to social, you can add these subscribe buttons if you want. Your subscribe button, you then simply add these subscribe buttons under your video, or at the bottom of your video. You can add at the corner over here, choose the subscribe button. You can use the LinkedIn button. You can use this medium or any brand logo you want to use. You can simply use. You want any emojis, you then simply go for it. You want any mock-ups or any buy-in call to action if you want, you then choose it from here. Any icons like this one, you then use even icons like these. So if you come back over here, there are different icons, templates that you can simply use on your video and create a next level video. So now when it comes to audio, you can generate a AI voice audio of someone. You then just need to add text and the voiceover in ready, or you can clone your own voice, add your own voice, or upload your own AI generated voice or your own real voice. You can even use stock music from here. There are different music, any background music you want to use, you then simply use it from here. So this is the script. If you want to write a script, this is the magic tool that you then use. But if you are someone, a paid member, you can simply use this, not a free member. So you then generate script from here, you can edit your videos, you can add subtitles to your videos, you can use the stock videos based on your video. You then use the stock videos if you are editing your video. You then add elements, you then add text, you then add images and audio. All the editing part, all the content creation part is done over here. So you don't have to go anywhere when it comes to subtitle generation, when it comes to added images, videos, or social or any elements. You can get everything in one place. So this is the best tool for all the content creators. So this was all from this lecture. Just play around with this tool and you will really enjoy this.